Hey crafters, Easter's just around the corner and I've got the cutest DIY for you. We're making adorable paper bunnies that'll hop right into your heart. Grab some colored paper, scissors, and glue. That's all you need. These little guys are so simple, you'll be amazed at how quickly they come together. Perfect for decorating or gifting. Stick around to the end to see the finished product. I promise it'll make you smile. Let's hop to it and get crafting. Your Easter decorations are about to get a whole lot cuter. If you like the craft, subscribe to our channel and leave a comment. This is very important to us. Thank you and have a happy Easter.